Hi friends, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today topic was how to get the fluency in English. To get the fluency in English, you should know tenses, passive voice, doing table, having table, and being table, being actions tables. These three sectors you will know. You will definitely understand the English. First of all, you because you are beginner. Do you know nothing? Do you know first starting the tense learning? Then after you will learn the passive voice syntaxes. Then after you know the being accents, being action tables, doing action tables, and having action tables. This 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 these three sectors you will know. Then you will definitely get the English fluency in your reading, in your speaking time. Suppose you read a book. That reading books, you get any sentence within the three sectors only. Out of the sectors, did not write any person. Only English, only English sentence available. Only these three sectors. This is these sectors of having being table means I am in the room. I am in the room. Here is the B form. This is the main verb of the sentence. This type of sentence you will know. Then you will get the better fluency in when you are speaking time. Suppose you have I have a car. In this sentence, have is the main verb. This is called having action table. Suppose doing action table means 12 sentence in this. Suppose you start the book reading. First you don't understand the book reading. Then after you know this 12 sentence and being actions, having actions. Then only you will get the better understanding in English. So you start the reading. First start the reading in English. Then after write the essays or paragraphs in English using this tenses and passive voice and being table and having table. Then only you will get the fluency in English. Then after you will speaking daily, speaking voice in speaking with your friends or any persons in the using any persons in using the colonel. So many apps in now available. In that apps colonels are available. That with other persons also you can speak in English. You can speak in English. You should speak in English daily. You will get the fluency in English. Then only you will get the better understanding of the English. This is the main process of the how to get the fluency in English. English speaking is you have a English speaking as a fashion to your life. You can get the better English you can get the better English. You can fascinate to learn the English. You will definitely learn the English in 3 months or 6 months. At least you make the 3 months plans. 6 months after you definitely learn English. This type of activities can improve your English. Same